Ciao! Oggi facciamo la pizza! We are making pizza today. There's a twist. And we are using a giant mushroom as a base. Look! This is gigantic! Have a guess on the weight. Leave your answer in the comment below and we'll be sending a surprise gift to one winner who's got this right. We are sharing a hint in the second part of the video. Hope that helps. First up, let's sort out the base flavor. I am using melted salted butter here. That easy. No brush, no problem. Just put it on. Of course, tomato sauce is the most important ingredient in pizza. I blended my own by including homegrown rosemary and thyme. I've also seasoned the tomato sauce with some paprika and quite a lot of cracked black pepper. Onion. You know what? Feel free to leave out any of these ingredients if you are not a fan. The good thing with cooking is that it can be fully customized. I love a bit of onion on my pizza. Peel, and you could then either chop, dice, or slice. Not much to say here. I'll just keep quiet so that you could enjoy the whistling music. That's right! More tomatoes. And this time, some fresh ones. Fresh juicy tomatoes is a must. The juice helps the mushroom to stay moist. Don't forget, we'll have to oven cook the mushroom for 30 minutes. As you can see here, I've tried with two different cuts. Both turn out perfectly fine, so the choice is yours. Chili! For those who like the heat from the chili, feel free to replace the sweet pointy pepper that I'm using with either lady's fingers or Scotch bonnet. For those who can't deal with spicy food, make sure you take it easy. Okay, you should have noticed by now, I've prepared this mushroom pizza two ways. One side is for meat lovers, another side is for those who are into vegetable, and also for those who try convincing themselves that they don't enjoy eating meat. I've used sausage, bacon, and pepperoni. Literally, just use whatever you could find in the fridge as toppings. No right or wrong. And that's the great thing about pizza. You are getting a mouthful of different textures and different flavors. Please let me know your favorite combination. I love pineapple on my pizza. Also, I've noticed that's not for everyone. Wow, meat lovers will certainly enjoy this. This is so meaty. Almost too meaty to my personal liking. Let's see how this turned out anyway. Yay! Here comes the most important part, and also my personal favorite part, adding the cheese. Cheese is like the soul to the pizza. You might as well just call it a veg on toast or meat on toast without this crucial ingredient. I'm using sliced mozzarella for my vegetable side, and now I'm grating some parmesan for the meaty side. Okay, almost there. Just need some cooking. Transfer the pizza onto a tray and oven cooked at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The mushroom itself is very heavy. The total weight is now close to 3 kilograms with all these toppings. Ask for help if you can't move this yourself. The last thing that you want at this point is you drop the whole thing. Here it comes after 30 minutes. Ta-da! My giant mushroom pizza is ready. This is delicious. This is amazing. And it does sound and feel healthy as well with mushroom as a base. The whole thing is so tender and juicy. I just can't believe the juice that I'm getting out of the mushroom. If you are a fan of abalone, trust me, this is seriously better than that. Okay everyone, thanks for tuning in and hope you have enjoyed the video. Remember to guess the weight and leave your answer down below. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. See you again soon. Adios.